Hello pretty people, welcome back to Indie Swag. Today I am here with another recipe power packed with nutrients that will greatly help you boost your immune system. It will aid in improving your bone health, detoxifying your body and enhancing its metabolism. This is a really tasty treat which kids and grown-ups would love alike. It is super easy to induct in your diet plan, can be made very easily and be stored for 2 to 3 weeks and can be had on a daily basis. So without delay, let's get started. First, take 12 medium-sized Indian gooseberries, that is amlas, and de-seed them. The pieces need not be evenly shaped, just chop them roughly as shown in the video. Now take a mixer jar and add the roughly chopped amla pieces to it to grind them. It is to be ground into a fine paste. Once done, keep the paste aside. For the next step, turn on the stove and in an open pan take 2 cups of jaggery. To this jaggery, add 2 tablespoons of water. Keep stirring this mixture on a low flame so that the jaggery melts and thickens into a syrup. Once all the jaggery has melted and the syrup starts boiling, add the amla paste to it. Mix it evenly while heating on a low flame. Keep stirring the mixture to avoid overcooking. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. If brown sugar is not available, use regular sugar. Once again, stir the mixture till all the sugar melts. Now at this point, add half teaspoon of ginger powder and mix well. Also, a teaspoon of black pepper powder and another teaspoon of a mixture of ajwain, cumin, that is jeera, and fennel seeds, that is saunf. And lastly, add a teaspoon of black salt. Keep heating and mixing this mixture until all the moisture evaporates and it starts coming together to form a thick dough. Once done, turn off the stove and keep it to cool. Now our amla dough is ready for molding. Before you start, grease your hands with some ghee or oil. Now take small portions of the amla dough and start rolling them as directed in the video. Amla is a traditionally popular ingredient in most Indian homes. The reason being its abundance in vitamin C, which is one of the most essential nutrients required by our body. Its regular consumption not only keeps us healthy by boosting our immune system, but also keeps our skin healthy and glowing. So in a way, you can call these amla candies a whole bundle of nutrition. Now that you have come to know all about this recipe, don't you think these simple amla candies can do a great deal of good to both your health as well as to your taste buds? After making all the vitamin pops, leave them overnight to dry and the next day onwards you can have them as and whenever you like. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and stay tuned to Indie Swag. And do not forget to subscribe.